So I just wanted to give you a quick run through of how to use your pizza shunt. Now I've got mine here and it's a fantastic one actually. I'm really enjoying using it, and I've placed where I got the pizza shunt from in the links below, so you'll find all that information there. But a few people have asked me how you actually use them. Now there's two methods. I tend to use the semolina or maize method, but there is another trick if you don't have any semolina or maize in, and you simply get some grease-proof paper like I've got here. And what you do is you lay this on the top, then you make your pizza, and then you basically shunt it quickly into the oven. And what this does is that this should leave like the greaseproof paper with the pizza on top. So you'll cook it for about 3 minutes, and then you'll gradually remove the greaseproof paper, and it should come away quite easy. But that is actually one quick tip, and I find it actually works quite well. The other method, which is the one that I tend to use, is using semolina, and all you do is literally sprinkle a load of semolina on the base. Let's give it a good old covering there. And then what you do is you make your pizza on top, and you have to work fast. So you have to have all your ingredients to the side of you. You will do your pizza dough on top, and then add all the ingredients on top. So your tomato base, you know, your mushrooms, tomatoes, onions, whatever you want to put on the top of it. And the reason why you have to work quick is because this semolina, although it's fairly gritty, you need to be able to shunt it off really quickly. So when you're making your pizza, if you just actually give it a little wiggle, and what that will do is make sure that the pizza dough isn't sticking to the metal paddle, because otherwise you just end up with a real mess trying to get it onto your pizza stone in the oven. So in some ways the greaseproof paper way is a really good way, especially if you're new to a pizza stone and making pizzas. But as you get more used to it, semolina is good, and the reason why it's good is because it also gives that lovely crisp coating to the bottom of your pizza, makes it even more crispy, which I really like. And that's of course one of the benefits of actually using your pizza stone as well, is that it draws away the moisture and helps get that lovely crispy base. So like Mary Berry says, there'll be no soggy bottoms. Any questions or queries, do give me some comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you.